Where the hell is my face? Oh, right. I'm a cloned brain in a mechanical suit. Shit. I woke up on that doomed colony ship, headed for Mars. I'm 1310, one of the Project Talon test pilots. They kept our real bodies safe in cryo, so cloned brains with our memories could handle the dangerous work. Except everything went to hell on the ship. My memories didn't upload right. I woke up with amnesia. I still don't remember anything before waking up that first time. What else happened? Oh, yeah. I died. Came back. Died again. Found the ship's biocomputer. Eating brains? Stabbed a lot of monsters. Shot a lot of robots. Found my original body. I had no idea what to do with it. Made a best friend. Defeated the ship's biocore, which was now a giant hive mind. Made a deal with it to save the surviving colonists, and headed back to Earth to live happily ever after. Which is when I learned the real problem. An AI called Monarch had already taken over Earth. It hacked practically everything on the planet. So I fought more robots, went to an asteroid, killed some cultists obsessed with the AI. Seriously, screw those guys. And rescued another Talon pilot.
Son of a bitch!
So, that's where things stand. The cult created Monarch. Now it's trying to terraform Earth into a giant computer so it can build a better model. Become all-knowing, like a god. They call it the Singularity. We might be Earth's last chance. And I still don't remember who I am. Wait. Oh, right. I also just crashed. That's how I died this time. Ah, God damn it. I think the supply run is a bust.
Son of a bitch. Reading.
7? That's creepy. I don't normally come across my own dead bodies. Holy shit. A space elevator. The thing's enormous. Robo-assholes trying to kill me.